What was he trying to do? What was like Manchester United fans का क्या चूतिया बना के गया है क्या रूबेन आमोरिम? What was he trying to do?
Fucking
After every match, every press conference, fans को पागल बना रहा है, बोर्ड को पागल बना रहा है. हफ्ते का एक गेम नहीं खेलता, हफ्ते का कितना महीने का एक 3 गेम नहीं खेला जाता है. क्या कर रहा था? What was he trying to do? वो अपनी पत्नी के साथ आज सुबह 200 करोड़ लेके निकला यूनाइटेड से. And I'm not even a United fan. Why am I angry?
200 crores. 200 crores. You know how much time it would take for normal people? 99.999% of United fans will never make that amount of money. 99.99%. And this guy has made that much money in 15 months. And you guys are sitting there feeling bad for him. कि क्यों निकाला? Why have we sacked Amorim? Oh my God, my boy, my Savaya, my Messiah. What has he done? He has given us sleepless nights. उसके वजह से हम torture हुए every night. What do you guys see? Genuinely, Amorim fans, like तुम लोग जो इतना अभी तक y'all are like in depression, मालूम है? Amorim fans are having a more meltdown. जब हम हारते थे ना इतना meltdown नहीं होता था. अब जब sack हो गया ना, they are having more meltdown. मतलब क्या टेंजेंट में है? It's beyond my fucking mind. What did they see in him for 15 months? Listen, when he took over from Eric Ten Hag, we were 3 points off top 4. 3 points. And when we finished last season, we finished 15th. Actually A, B, C नहीं, मेरे को only Z तक point चलते रहेंगे इधर. ठीक है? Then we lost to Spurs. Tottenham Hotspurs in the Europa League final. Europa League final says Spurs. That should have been the end of this man. That should have been it. This nonsense जो 4 महीना गया था ना, ये होना ही नहीं था, ये जाना ही नहीं था. Any top club would fuck any top club, any mid-table club. Burnley, Henshod, अगर fuck, sorry for abusing, but this is really bringing the worst out of me right now. This is what Ruben Amorim has done to me, to my psyche. What is this club doing to me? Like, it's unbelievable. After that match, he should have been sacked. This 4 months that we have been tortured through should have never happened. Tell me, at what point did we say, yes, we are improving? What exactly are we improving? You're saying we're 5th. Boss, we're 3 points off top 4, but we're also 3 points off the 14th place.
Nobody will
How
see
the
this.
league is this season. This is how. This guy is embarrassed. This guy's been tactically outclassed by every fucking manager that he's played against. He is not done anything to improve any single player in this team. Lenny Yoro was described as one of the best centre backs in Europe, a young centre back. Look at how he's performed for the past 2 months. He has only and only regressed every single player. Bruno Fernandes being played out of position. Sesko, one of the most promising strikers in Europe last season. Look what he is doing. Where is he? He's chasing nothing. He's chasing absolutely nothing, and you guys are blaming Sesko for not missing in chances. If you have ever seen a proper football match in your life, see the amount of chances Haaland misses in a match. See the amount of chances Suarez misses in a match. They get chances after chances after chances, then you score goals. This is a team not capable of making any sort of chances for anybody. Whether it be Sesko, you signed prime, Robin Van Persie also prime, Wayne Rooney also. No one's been able to finish where he is right now. Cunha and Mbeumo, two of the best attackers in the league last season outside of Arsenal and City and Liverpool. The best in the league. They are a shadow of themselves. Garnacho has the same amount of goal contributions as Cunha. Nikal goal mara usne, to ek shayad ho gaya. 1 extra, 5 ka 6 ho gaya. Goal contributions. He's got 3 goals this season in 20-21 odd games. Okay, Cunha. This is the level that we're talking about. This is the level. Mbeumo for the last 7-8 games has been horrendous. But no one wants to call out shit. I don't know, log इतना
डरते क्यों है? I want to say United fans डरते क्यों है? Why are they scared? क्यों मतलब after every match what makes you say that no, give him time भाई time देखिए 14-15 महीना हो गया and this is the current situation is of your club.
He said even the Pope couldn't make me switch his formation. He couldn't change his philosophy. What is his philosophy? Lose? Is that his fucking philosophy? Tell me, Jazz, tell me. Name top 5 managers ever. Name top 5, 6 managers that you can think of.
Saf, Pep, Ancelotti, Zidane, Pep Guardiola, Jose Mourinho. हो गया ना 5-6.
Okay, that's a good. Diego Simeone, Wenger.
Yeah,
Other than Pep Guardiola in that list, is there any manager who follows one particular play, one particular formation? Philosophy is different, but formation is structure. एक manager. Alex Ferguson ने तो बोला एक पॉइंट में एक सेंटर बैक को खिलाया एक पिच में. None of these managers follow one single system. they all follow a philosophy. Everyone has to make do with what they have. जो है भाई हाथ में उससे ही चलाना है. But इस बंदे को मालूम नहीं क्या चाहिए. What does he want? His three at the back is one of the worst structures I've ever seen. We made a video that Erik ten Hag is the worst manager in the history of Manchester United. Little did we know, that the next manager is going to be worse than him.
वही है ना, यूनाइटेड का सेइंग इज ट्रू मैन. हाउ बैड इट कैन गो, हाउ बैड इट कैन गो, नोबडी कैन प्रेडिक्ट. इट गोस बैड, इट गोस वर्स, इट गोस, भाई कुछ है ही नहीं.
Yeah.
The
Every
rock
time you
bottom
hit
is-
bedrock, somehow United find a deeper bottom. हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं मतलब और worse हो जाता है.
And you know now the rumors are Ole Gunnar Solskjaer gonna come into the picture. But yaar, what is this? United is a meme club, bro. They have started giving content,
Bro,
and the fact is,
before this, I want to say something. Amorim को लगा कि board is not backing him.
okay,
Boss, what the fuck do you want the board to back you off? One win a month you have averaged for 15 months. One win a month. You have lost to 10 men at home at Everton. You couldn't beat the worst team in Europe in Wolves who have 2 points in 18 games. You couldn't beat them at home. What the fuck do you want? What backing do you want of this club? क्या देंगे तेरे
सब
को?
तो
एक
साइनिंग
रुपया भी
दिया,
तो
सब
खर्चा
पैसा
करे.
दिया, सब तो दिया, कितना कुछ दिया, पूरा पैसा दिया. ट्रांसफर विंडो यू ऑलवेज लाइक पूरा क्लब क्लीन किया तूने एक ट्रांसफर विंडो में. यू गॉट द गोलकीपर, यू गॉट द सेंटर बैक, यू गॉट लाइक योर विंगर्स, अटैकर्स, सब तो दे दिया.
मतलब क्या बोलूं मैं यार. मतलब it's like, and you know, I'm not hating the club. I actually am respecting Ineos that they finally there आए. This also उनका ego hurt हुआ तब जाके आए. They are not getting under the, उनका ego hurt किया. And Ruben Amorim ने self implode किया. He has done this. He's perfectly tactically played this.
He's
He
a very
wanted
smart
that-
guy.
हाँ, उसको मालूम है my time is done and he wants his money and he was like I'm getting the fuck out of here. तो उसने सब youth को call out करना, Harry Amas को call out करना, calling out Obi Martin, Dorgu को call out करना, then calling out the board yesterday. You could see it. And anyone who doesn't see through it is just like, bro, I just
Bro,
don't
and
have a
what was his
conversation.
comment in his last press conference? I am a manager. I am here to manage. I'm not here to coach. भाई this is jarring. ये jarring statement है भाई एक मैनेजर के मुंह से. तू
You know-
एंचेलोटी को बोलते हुए सुन, पेरेस माँ बहने कर देगा उसकी.
मैं बोलूं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उसको मैनेजर बनना है. कोचिंग का तो उसका कोच का सी भी नहीं है. Generally, I don't know what people are saying. I have not missed a single game since Louis van Gaal era. I have seen Capital One Cups, I've seen FA Cups, I've seen Conference League, not the Conference League, Europa League. I've seen every single game. But Amorim's football is the worst football I've seen. Absolute zero improvement. Zero. और वैसे ये जीतते कहाँ है भाई? Forget top 4. Forget trophies. Forget winning a match. Forget goals नहीं दिखते boss. I don't see United scoring goals other than set pieces. Nothing I see. It's absolutely ridiculous. And people will say give him time like Pep. Pep got the backing. First of all, लोग का first comment Alex Ferguson को इतना time दिया था. Let me get one thing straight, huh? Alex Ferguson had won the Champions League, European Cup at the time with Aberdeen in Scotland. Aberdeen. He beat Real Madrid and Bayern Munich with fucking Aberdeen. What has Amorim done? What has he done with Sporting? You know the last 5 managers who have won the Portuguese league, 4 of them are out of a job. 5 of them are now out of a job. So it is not a league. If you go and look, they are absolutely nowhere to be seen. It is not the benchmark of success at all. So and Pep Guardiola is an anomaly. City give him the goods. City gives him the backing because he is the greatest manager. He's the greatest coach. He has created the greatest side of all time in football history with that Barcelona team. He is allowed to do that. He has won City the treble. He's won them 4 Premier Leagues in a row. उसको जो चाहिए वो कर सकता है. He is the actual manager there. Whatever he says, go. Amorim has zero credentials to give him that authority. भाई एक चीज बोल, तू किसको अपॉइंट कर रहा है, ठीक है? कोई भी एक काम वाला तेरे ऑफिस में कर रहा है, वो क्लियरली बहुत स्ट्रगल कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा है, ठीक है? तूने उसको 3 महीने दिए, 6 महीना दिए, 9 महीने, अभी साल भर हो गया, 14 महीना. अब बोल रहा है यार मुझसे तो हो रहा नहीं है, मेरे को तो अभी बेटर कंप्यूटर आप लाके दो. तू क्या करने वाला है इसको?
And
Like,
imagine
what are you
paying
gonna do?
200 crore to that employee. My
Yeah.
God.
He's going home with 200 crores. United are going to pay him 200 crores, about 19 million pounds he's going to leave the club with. Please
And he's
get
a
this
young
in your head.
manager. He has United on his portfolio. He has a long road ahead. कर लेगा भाई वो. He'll go Saudi. He'll chill. वो अपनी
It
वाइफ
is-
के साथ जाएगा टूर पे अभी.
Yeah. भाई हम फैंस है भाई, हम 4-5 बजे तक देखते हैं, मेरे को तो ऐसे रैंडमली आता है भाई मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ यूनाइटेड को सपोर्ट करके, लाइक आई एम लाइक फक दिस कासिम माहिम वाला जिसके वजह से आई स्टार्टेड सपोर्टिंग इन 4th ग्रेड दिस मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड, मैं उसको
रानी
बैठ के बेचारे
तेरी
को गाली देता हूँ,
झलक से
मतलब
मैं
और वहां पे
पागल।
200 करोड़ लेके जा रहा है और यूनाइटेड फैंस उसके ही मतलब पीछे पड़े हुए हैं।
United will always be a banter club now. In मतलब ये lifetime, I think this lifetime, any of the fans जो देख लिया the winning aura and everything is done. In this lifetime, I don't see Manchester United win anything. And if you want to go to the stadium, be mindset में डाल दो that you spend 2-3
Yeah.
lakhs and you will see them lose 2-3
But
nil.
what's next, Chaz? What's next now?
What's next? I don't know, bro. The people are saying Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Bhai, matlab, only this club can accept because right now, yeah, United will go down the worst. They'll go to the worst section of their life, and then they will accept the worst possible option also, and they will agree also, and they will somehow accept also. It will be normalized.
No, I don't think this is the worst possible option would have been keeping him in charge. That was the worst possible option.
I mean, now I don't know, bro.
Hashtag
Fletcher
ABA.
आ रहा है,
Anything but
interim
Amorim.
manager. Interim Fletcher, अभी interim manager Fletcher आ रहा है.
Hashtag ABA. Anything but Amorim.
I
That is
don't
the
know.
motto.
Like at this point, I have no ball knowledge to comment on this club. Like I had trusted Ruben Amorim, and my man has betrayed myself. So
The cockroach in my bathroom could get more than 55 points in 48 games at Manchester United. The cockroach in my bathroom. I don't understand.
Anyways.
I don't think you guys understand how, like, I really don't like the guy. And I don't know how much you liked him. Like, it's.
And every time we have
baffling.
said anything against against Ruben Amorim,
Sab
people
aa
have
jate
like,
bhai. And people say I'm negative. Like it's insane, bhai. It's insane. The psyche is.
but
just
who will be the
beyond my
next
head.
manager for United? What's who's the possible next manager? Okay.
See, there is no. We are not going to appoint anyone permanent. That is 100% sure. We're going to have a
So
caretaker.
this season, like
Fletcher
this
is
season-
there. Fletcher is there. I genuinely feel we're going to get either. There are only two possibilities: Carrick or Ole as a caretaker till the end of the season. Then United being United नहीं decide कर पाएगी क्योंकि World Cup भी है. There's World Cup also. So I don't think we're going to know who our permanent manager is for the next 7 months.
gone.
It's gone. It's gone.
Games.
If
But I
top
think
five-
football is back. Football is back.
United is back, bro.
Football is back, bro.
United is back. United fire hai boss, fire.
मजा आएगा.
You fuel the fire and see what happens. See what if we get some. It's a different story with United. You give the fans what United are na. It's a fire.
I think
वो fire
United
अब
fans
बुझी
को
हुई है.
the
13 साल तक बुझी हुई है. And I hope this Amorim going in is the start of that eternal flame coming back.
I think the only high United fans get is nowadays not Champions League, but every 6th, 7th, or 14 months is like sacking their manager. So
Yeah.
that's the high they get.
One last thing I would like. People say na manager cycle, manager cycle, manager cycle. Let me name the last 5. Our managers post Alex Ferguson, okay? First, David Moyes. And then I want to, before I do this, a quote hai Jose Mourinho. No, after this I'll share. David Moyes,
David
Yeah.
Moyes.
nothing, mid-table manager. Jose Mourinho,
Jose Mourinho.
after United managed Spurs and then gone, nowhere to be seen. Right? He's not anywhere near top level football. Right? Besiktas kiya, Fenerbahce kiya, now he's in
Fenerbahce.
Benfica. Like, he's nowhere. Right? Spurs ke baad. Then came Ole,
Ole.
got sacked within 3
No,
months.
Ragnick, na? Ragnick also.
No, he came after Ole.
Oh, he came after Ole. Okay.
ठीक है? Then Ole, sacked within 3 months at Besiktas in the Turkish league. Failed to
फिर
qualify
Ragnick.
for the Champions League. Qualifier में हार गया. He was sacked within 3 months. Ragnick, manager of the Austrian national team, nowhere to be seen, nothing, not doing anything worthy of top level football, top level. Then came the greatest
Erik.
manager, Erik ten Hag, sacked within 2 games, within 2 matches.
Leverkusen.
At Leverkusen, 2 matches के अंदर sacked. And Ruben Amorim. And Jose Mourinho का quote है, see where they play, how they play,
How they play.
if
If
play.
they play. When
And now
they
this
play.
is for managers, see where they manage, how they manage, if they manage. So don't get me started that sacking these managers was a wrong decision. These managers haven't done anything post after leaving Manchester United. So there is no saying that they could have done anything better by staying there.
Aura, bro. Aura, United. Aura. Cole
the aura.
Amorim has Cole Amorim.
Let's go. United are back. Ruben Amorim is out and United are back. Let's go.
Peace, guys.